Today, I am reviewing Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to completely transform your outdoor space into a vibrant, colorful haven, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro is an absolute game changer. Whether you want to elevate your backyard, patio, balcony, or even your storefront, these lights combine durability, versatility, and smart technology to give you a stunning outdoor experience all year round. Let's start with the lighting itself. These aren't your ordinary string lights. With 60 RGBIC LED lights over 100 feet, you get 16 million colors and 75 scene modes that allow you to create almost any ambience you can imagine. Whether you're hosting a party, celebrating the holidays, or just enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, these lights can match the mood perfectly. One of my favorite features is the upgraded anti-glare lens design, which creates a triangular lighting effect that is softer, more even, and much more pleasing to the eyes than standard LEDs. But Govee didn't just stop at aesthetics. These lights are designed for year-round use. With IP67 waterproof LED strands and an IP65 control box, they're resistant to rain, snow, and extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The anti-UV material ensures they won't fade or crack over time, and with a rated lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, these lights are truly a long-term investment for your outdoor space. Installation is another area where the Govee Permanent Lights Pro shines. With the included VHB glue and clips, each light can be installed in just a few seconds and every 16.4 feet. The lights come with waterproof splicing joints so you can create longer or custom layouts safely. The cuttable and spliceable design gives you full DIY flexibility, letting you tailor the lights exactly to your outdoor setup. Just remember, they can't extend beyond 150 feet without a Govee driver module, which ensures they operate safely and consistently. Now, let's talk about Smart Control, which is one of the highlights of these lights. With compatibility for Matter, Alexa, and Google Assistant, you can control the lights with your voice, or use the Govee Home app to individually customize the color of each LED. This gives you an almost infinite number of patterns, color flows, and lighting effects. You can sync the lights with music, create gradients, or set a single calming color. For outdoor decor enthusiasts, this level of control is a dream come true. These lights aren't just functional, they're also exquisitely decorative. From casual daily lighting to festive holiday decor, the warm white and cold white options allow you to create different moods, making your outdoor area feel cozy, welcoming, or party-ready, depending on the occasion. Imagine your backyard glowing in a kaleidoscope of colors, or a patio illuminated for a dinner party with friends. These lights make it effortless. Finally, it's worth noting the durability and reliability. Govee provides a 3-year warranty, so you can invest with confidence. And with thousands of satisfied users giving 4.4 out of 5 stars, it's clear that these lights deliver on both performance and quality. In summary, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor lighting game. With easy installation, smart app and voice control, customizable colors and scenes, and robust outdoor durability, this is more than just lights. It's a tool to enhance your lifestyle, celebrate occasions, and create unforgettable outdoor experiences. If you want your home, garden, or patio to stand out with vibrant, customizable, and reliable lighting, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro is absolutely worth every penny. It's the ultimate smart outdoor lighting solution for any homeowner or decorator.